Hello traders. Today, with the help of this candlestick pattern, we will understand the power of candle. There are so many candles which appearing on the chart on daily basis, but few selected candles are most powerful and we should always follow these candles only because it shows the power on the one side or reverse side. So with the help of this video, we will understand the power of candle. It's very important. And with the help of these candles, we can identify the entry of market maker, market player, market operator, or majority of people. And we should always try to be with the majority of people. If we identify the entry of majority of people, market maker, market player, then we can make the money in the stock market. There is not an issue because we should always follow what is going on the market. We always try to be with the market. There is no need to be go on the reverse side. We should always try to be with the market player, what they are doing in the stock market at that time on the chart. If we understand that what they are doing in the stock market at a specific time as per the chart pattern, then we can easily follow this market maker only. And if we understand the logic, if we understand their entry and exit point, then we can make the money from the stock market and we can avoid our lot of losses in the stock market. So it's very important. And with the help of these candle, we can identify their entry and exit in the stock market. So with the help of this video, we will understand the power of these candles. There is no need to be remember the name of these candle, but try to go in the depth of these candle. Try to understand the logic behind these candle. What is doing? What is happening in the stock market at that time? We will understand with the help of these candles. So the first candle is elephant bar or Morobojo candles. You can see that. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. This is totally green fat bullish candle. So what does it means? The market maker, market player are bullish on this stock on this specific price. If each and everyone is bullish on the stock on a specific price, then we should always try to buy the stock because the candle shows that the majority of people are buying the stock on this specific price. But we will not buy the stock if the candles appear on random basis. When it appear as per our location, as per our strategy, then only we will buy the stock or we will sell the stock. And this is applicable for all type of candles. When they appear as per our strategy, as per our specific location, then only we will do the transaction. Otherwise, we will wait for the better opportunity, wait for the high probability trades. So the second candle is bearish candle. It means the majority of people, the market maker, are bearish on the stock on this specific price. The second candle is tail bar or dragonfly. So what is happening on this candle? In the starting, stock was bearish and it goes on the downside and it makes its bottom and suddenly start going on the upside. When the stock is continue decreasing, and with the help of this candle we can understand that it makes its bottom, and when it appear on the specific location, then with the help of our strategy we can buy the stock on this specific location with the help of this candle. On the other side, this is the bearish candle. In the starting, stock goes on the upside and suddenly it start on the downside. So it's a bearish candle. When it appear on the specific location as per our strategy, then we can sell the stock with the help of our strategy. On the next candle, bearish pin bar or bullish pin bar. In the starting, the stock was bullish, it goes on the upside and then suddenly it start on the downside and it break its opening price also and it goes on the downside. It means the stock is bearish at that time and we should understand the location and our strategy, then only we can take the right trade. The same things apply on the bullish side also. And the last candle is long leg doji candle. It means reversal of trend. Try to understand, if the stock is going on the upside and suddenly there is a tie in between buyer and seller, they are on the 50-50 stage. The buyers are 50% and the sellers are on the 50%. It means the stock can decrease because At this point, the seller and buyer are on 50-50 stage. So we will wait for the next candle. When the next candle shows that the stock are bearish on this point, then only we will take the trade with the help of our strategy. And we should always try to identify what is happening in the market. There no need to be on the past. What happened, keep it separate. What will happen, keep it separate. Always try to focus at that time what is happening, what is going on the market, what the what the candle says to us, what the location says to us, what the market player, market maker are doing in the stock market. So what is appearing, what is happening at that time, we should always try to take the trade with the help of current position only. There is no need to be follow lot of candle. You have to follow these four important candle only, and if you follow these candle, then you can make the money from the market, because these candles are most important candle. Now you can understand the power of these candles, and with the help of these candles you can take a better trade. In the starting I was not aware about the power of these candle. I just try to remember the name of this candle, but there is nothing on the name. There is lot of thing on the logic, what it want to show to us and what it want to tell to me. So there is a need to understand the logic behind these candles. I saw a lot of video. I read a lot of books to understand the power of this candle. But I understand with the help of one book, Tools and Tactics, which is written by Mr. Oliver Village. And with the help of this book, I understand the power of this candle. So if you want, then you can also read this book. It's a wonderful book. This is the only things which I want to share with you with the help of this video. I hope you learn something new. And if you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar and you can subscribe my channel. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for your precious time, and best of luck for your trading journey.